Most people don't know this. You can withdraw your PF even without resigning. And in many cases, you don't have to wait till retirement either. So, in this video, I'll explain everything about EPF withdrawal and PF advance processes and who can withdraw, how much, when, and how to apply online. This channel is very new, so I need your support to grow this channel. Please, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and share this video with everybody who wants to know about PF withdrawal process. You can withdraw money from EPF in two ways. One is full withdrawal and another is partial withdrawal, which is also called as advance withdrawal. Like who can withdraw full PF? So you can withdraw 100% your PF balance if you are unemployed for more than now 12 months, you are retired and you are moving abroad permanently, and in case of medical emergency or death. Important rules: if unemployee is less than 2 months, you can withdraw only employee share, not employer share. PF advance means withdrawing a part of your PFs while still working. Common reasons are basically allowed, which is medical emergency, house purchase, home loan repayment, marriage, education. There is another option still exists for COVID. For the COVID also you can withdraw now, and definitely house renovation, that also consider. So you do not need employer approval for these online claims. So that's a relief. Now how to apply for PF? Now everything is now happen through the online portal. This is you can follow the screen. You have to go to this particular address. Now you have to log in with the UN and password, and in the online service section you will find the 31 and 19 and 10C forms. You have to select them. You have to verify your bank details and select the withdrawal reason, and you will get the OTP to your mobile number. Once the OTP get verified, your claim will be submitted, and within 5 to 10 working days you will get the claim for sure. Now coming to the important question. इस सेक्शन में मुझे बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन आया है related to PF withdrawal. Now can I withdraw PF while working? मैं क्या PF withdraw कर सकता हूँ जब मैं काम कर रहा हूँ? The answer is yes, आप कर सकते हो through advance PF option. Is PF withdrawal taxable? Yes, PF withdrawal is taxable in case you are withdrawing it before 5 years of work. After 5 years of work, it is not taxable. So how many times can I take PF in advance scenario? So advance scenario पे PF आप ले सकते हो depend on your reason. मेडिकल एंड एजुकेशन के लिए आप PF मोर देन वन टाइम, मल्टीपल टाइम बेसिकली आप उठा सकते हो PF एडवांस. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कैन आई विथड्रॉ PF विदाउट आधार? सो आंसर इज नो. आधार इज मैंडेटरी फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लेम्स. सो आपको आधार लिंक होना ही चाहिए PF अकाउंट के साथ. हाउ लॉन्ग डज PF क्रेडिट टेक? सो यूजली 5 to 10 वर्किंग डेज में PF का पैसा आपके पास आ जाता है. सो दैट्स अबाउट द Q&A सेक्शन. So there are few common mistakes that everyone is do. I listed them, so you have to ensure this mistake you need to avoid, such as wrong bank details डालना, name mismatch in Aadhaar and EPF, applying without minimum service period. So जो minimum service period, they have to be, you need to ensure that you complete and then you apply. Frequent withdrawal and reducing retirement saving. काफ़ी लाइक टाइम हम लोग देखे दैट PF विड्रॉल करने के लिए कोई भी छोटा छोटा चीज़ के लिए PF विड्रॉल हम लोग कॉमन यूज़ करते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली दिस आर द मिस्टेक. डोंट विड्रॉ PF until unless is very important for you. Now with that the topic is end here. Now आप लोगों को कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है तो कमेंट कीजिए, आई विल आंसर टू यू. Now if you found this video useful, like and subscribe. This is a new channel. I request you to please support. Comment PF guide if you want a video on how to increase your PF balance smartly.